everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Gunashri R, pursuing my third semester BE in Electronics and Communication at Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today I'll be talking about the subject Network Analysis and the subject code is BEC 304. My topic is Classification of Electrical Networks. What are electrical networks? An electrical network is an interconnection of electrical components like batteries, resistors, inductors, capacitors, diodes, transistors, etc. or a model of such an interconnection consisting of electrical elements like voltage sources, current sources, resistances, inductances and capacitances. Now let us see the classification of electrical networks. Electrical networks are classified into 8 different networks, namely linear network, non-linear network, bilateral network, unilateral network, active network, passive network, lump network and distributed network. Now let us see a brief explanation of all these networks. The first one is linear network. A circuit or network whose parameters, that is elements like resistances, inductances and capacitances are always constant irrespective of the change in time, voltage and temperature is known as linear network. The Ohm's law can be applied to such network. The mathematical equations of such network can be obtained by using the law of superposition. The second type of network is nonlinear network. A nonlinear network is an electrical circuit or network where the relationship between voltage and current is not directly proportional. In other words, the parameters of the network such as resistance, inductance or capacitance change with variations in voltage or current. The third type of network is bilateral network. A bilateral network is an electrical network where the behavior of the network is the same in both directions. In other words, the current voltage relationship remains unchanged if the direction of the current is reversed. The fourth type of network is unilateral network. A circuit whose operation, behavior is dependent on the direction of the current through various elements is called unilateral network. Circuit consisting diodes which allows flow of current only in one direction is a good example of unilateral circuit. The fifth type of network is active network. An active network is a type of computer network where the intermediate nodes, switches and routers can execute user-defined code or programs. This allows for more flexible and dynamic network operations compared to traditional methods of passive network. The sixth type of network is passive network. A circuit which contains no energy source is called passive. There are two forms of circuits in which two types of voltages are used. One alternating, that is AC, while second is direct, that is DC. The alternating current AC circuits contains voltages which are periodically varying and hence the currents also vary periodically. The direct current circuits DC contains fixed voltages sources having polarities positive and negative. The seventh type of network is lump networks. A lump network is an electrical network where all the network elements like resistors, capacitors, inductors, etc. are assumed to be concentrated at specific points rather than being distributed across a physical length. This means that the electrical properties of the network can be analyzed using lumped element models, which simplifies the analysis by treating the network as a collection of discrete components. The last type of network is distributed network. A network in which the circuit elements like resistance, inductance, etc. cannot be physically separable for analysis purposes is called distributed network. The best example of such a network is a transmission line where resistance, inductance and capacitance of a transmission line are distributed all along its length and cannot be shown as a separate element anywhere in the circuit. So this is about the classification of electric networks. Thank you for watching.